Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to enroll Rigi user on Jotform submission. So I am an online educator, and by using Jotform I have created some sign up forms for my courses. Now what I want to do is that wherever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Jotform or I'm going to receive a new registration, then automatically by using those details I'm going to enroll a new user in my course in Rigi. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to simply build a connection between Jotform and Rigi. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Jotform, then automatically by using those details, I will enroll a new user in Rigi in my course. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can enroll Rigi user on Jotform submission. So in my online course business, I could use Jotform to collect sign-ups for new courses. So once someone submits their registration form, the data is seamlessly pushed into Rigi. So in Rigi, I can track course enrollments, manage member access, and send automated reminders. So this integration will ensure that all students are enrolled properly without me needing to manually input their details into the system, and this will helping me focus more on content creation and course delivery. So here what I need is I need to simply build a connection between Jotform and Rigi, and now what will happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new sign up or a new registration for my course, then automatically by using all the detail of this form submission, I can create a new user or I can enroll a new user in my course in Rigi. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to simply build an automation between these two applications just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and with Pabbly Connect I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to enroll Rigi user on Jotform submission. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window for our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Jotform. So I'm going to select Jotform here, and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new response will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my Jotform account, and in Jotform I'm going to use this particular form of sign up form, and here what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from this particular form, then automatically the response of that form submission will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here for connecting this form, I need to go to settings, and here in settings, I need to go to integrations, and here in integrations, I need to search for webhooks. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to open this option of webhooks here. Now here I need to add a new webhook so that I can connect this form with Pabbly Connect. Now here I have this tab of add webhook, so I'm going to clear this. And here in this tab, I'm going to add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have added my webhook URL. Now I'm going to click on complete integration. And here my integration is ready. Now I'm going to click on finish. And here I have successfully added my webhook in my Jotform. Now that as I have added my webhook, I have connected this particular form with Pabbly Connect. And for every new form submission, I will get the response in Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to first create a new form submission through my Jotform. And as I will create a new registration or a new form submission, then automatically I will receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you back to Jotform. I'm going to publish this form. And I'm going to open my form in a new tab. So I'm going to click here. And here this is my sign up form. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details here, and here I'm going to fill all the detail of my registrant. So here the first name is going to be demo, last name is going to be student, my email will be demostudent@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number of my student or my registrant. So here this is going to be the random phone number, and now I'm going to give the city, that is going to be Indore. Now I have filled all the required details of my registrant. I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully created this form submission. Now that as I have created this form submission, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new form submission that I've just created in my Jotform or my sign up form. And in this, I have all these details. So here I have the first name of my registrant, that is demo. I have the last name, that is student. I have the email address, that is demostudent@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number. Also here I have the city, that is Indore. So here we can see that I have received all these details of my form submission from Jotform, and here I have received all these details of my registrant. So here, whenever I'm going to create a new form submission, then automatically I will get that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now that I have received all these details of my registrant, now what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and I automatically want to use these details to enroll a new user in my Rigi course. So for doing this automatically and for enrolling or importing a new user, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here first I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Rigi. So I'm going to select that, and here I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and import user will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to connect Rigi with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now here I have to give the token. So here for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect, I need this token. And here for getting this token, I need to first log into my Rigi account, where I will open my dashboard, and in dashboard I will have the option of integrations. In integration I need to go to Pabbly. I need to first enable that option, and I will see my token or my key. So that key is going to be my token, and I need to add that here in this tab. So for getting this token, I'm going to take you to my Rigi account. Here this is my Rigi dashboard. Now I'm going to go to integrations, and here in integrations I have this option of Pabbly. So I'm going to open this, and here we need to make sure that we have enabled this option of Pabbly, and after enabling this option we will see this Pabbly key. So this Pabbly key is going to be our token, and here we need to first copy this key. We need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and we need to paste that key here in this tab of token. Now here that I have added my token, I'm going to click on save, and here I have successfully connected Rigi with Pabbly Connect. Now here for importing a new user or for enrolling a new user, I need to fill all these details. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all my response of Jotform, and I'm going to use that response from my previous tab of Jotform response, and I'm going to get all that detail, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So here for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Jotform, and here I need to first map the full name of my user. So here, this is the first name, so I'm going to map this. I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Now similarly, I'm going to map the email address, so I need to click here. Again, I have to open the response of Jotform, and here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to map the phone number. So I have mapped the phone number. Now I'm going to give the product hash. And here in the product hash, what I need is, I need my course ID or my product key. So here I have to enter the product hash for which I want to give access here. And here I'm going to give the course ID or the product key or the product hash of my course where I want to enroll my new user. So here for getting this product hash, I need to again take you to my Rigi account. And in this, I will go to my products. And here we can see in my products, I have all these courses. So here what I need to do is, I need to use any of these courses where I want to enroll my user. And here for that, I'm going to use this particular course of PHP programming. So here for enrolling a new user in this particular course, I need the offering key or the product hash. So here I have this tab of offering key. And here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to first make this key visible. I'm going to copy this key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that offering key here in this tab of product hash. Now that I have added my course ID or my product hash, I'm going to give the validity in days. So here I need to enter the number of days to give access here. And if I want to give lifetime access, then I can give -1. So here I have to enter the number of days of validity that I want to keep for the access to my user. So here I want to give lifetime access. So I'm going to type -1. And now I have this option of send email. So if I want to send the email to my new enrolled user, I can select this option of yes. And if I don't want to send the email, then I can select no. I want to send the email, so I have selected yes here. And now I have filled all the required details. Now that I have filled these details and I have mapped these details here, so I have made all these details dynamic. And now what will happen is that for every new form submission that I'm going to receive through my sign up form or Jotform, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new registrant detail in the real time. And for every new form submission that I'm going to receive through Jotform, I will enroll a new user in my Rigi course. So here I have successfully mapped all these details. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Script button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have enrolled a new user in my Rigi course by using all the detail of my registrant from my Jotform submission. So to check whether I've enrolled a new user or not, let me take you to Rigi. Here I will go to user management, and in user management, I have this user list. So in this we can see I have just created this new user that is named as demo student. I have this random phone number. And also I have the email address that is demostudent@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see I have successfully created this new user, or I have enrolled this new user in my Rigi course, and I have created this by using all the detail of my form submission that I have received through Jotform. So here I have successfully enrolled a new user, and I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Jotform and Rigi. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Jotform, then automatically I will enroll a new user in Rigi with all the detail of my form submission. So here I have successfully created this connection between Jotform and Rigi and have set up this automation. Now with this automation, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Jotform or through my sign up form, then by using all those details of my form submission, I will automatically enroll a new user in Rigi. So here I have set up this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected Jotform with Rigi to automatically enroll Rigi user on Jotform submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Jotform, and my trigger event was new response. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Rigi, and my action event was import user. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.